To be able to achieve the natural curl that Jonetta has in her hair, I am using a 3/4 of an inch barrel curling iron and a 1-inch sized curling iron barrel. The reason for this is it's going to give me a lot of different texture. It's going to give me small natural curl sections and some that are a little bit bigger that's going to help mimic her natural curl that she has in her own hair. For the next section, I'm gonna go ahead and use the 3/4 of an inch because on this section I use the 1 inch, so we wanna give that real nice textured and piecey look. And when I'm wrapping around my curling iron, I'm not wrapping real tightly, I'm not holding it too loosely either, just nicely so that the hair lays on the barrel and is getting the even heat throughout that barrel. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.